In this video, I will show you how you can turn off the passcode and the fingerprint on any iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Now under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Touch ID and Passcode. Then enter your current lock screen passcode. And from here, just scroll down and under Fingerprints, just tap on the fingerprint to remove it. For example, I will tap on finger 1, then tap on Delete Fingerprint. Now if you have set up multiple fingerprints, just tap on each of them and select Delete. After you delete all the fingerprints from your iPad, then just select Turn Off Passcode. Just tap on Turn Off. Now it might ask you to enter the password of your Apple ID, so just enter the password of your Apple ID. After you enter the password of your Apple ID, then just tap on Done. Then just enter your current lock screen passcode. After that, just tap on Done. And once you do that, it will ask you that do you want to turn off iCloud Keychain or not. Now, if you want to keep using iCloud Keychain, just select Keep using iCloud Keychain, or you can select Turn off and remove passwords. I will keep using the iCloud Keychain, so I'll select Keep. Now, if I go to the lock screen of our iPad, as you can see, we have successfully turned off the fingerprint and the lock screen passcode on our iPad Air. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.